Hey folks, Ty here. Today's video we're going to be talking about crypto terminology. Now this is going to be your lesson one to the whole world of crypto. This is the kind of terminology you're going to come across every single day in your crypto investments, in your next crypto chapter of your life. And they're terms that you're going to need to know, and we're just going to go through it nice, fast, nice and rapid. So yeah, let's not waste any time. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and let's go. So the first one, arguably the most important, is ROI. Now that stands for return on investment. It's used to measure the return on an investment portfolio. It's calculated by current value minus the original cost divided by the original cost. So basically your gain divided by the original cost. It is that simple. The better ROI, the better that your portfolio or that investment is doing. You want a good ROI, and yeah, everyone will be happy. ATH stands for all-time high. Now, I don't really need to explain this one. It's when it's at its all-time highest. Simple as that. ATL, shocker, all-time low. Again, if I need to explain this, then yeah, it's just when it's at its lowest. Simple as that. HODL, HODL or HODL, however you want to pronounce it. Now, this originates from the misspelling of hold, referencing the common investment strategy of buy and hold. Basically means no matter what, I'm holding on for dear life. I'm hodling, I'm holding. I'm just gonna buy and hold no matter what happens, whether it goes up, whether it goes down. I'm just gonna hold because either I believe in it in the long term, I believe that it will continue going up in value, or I'm just too daft to not sell it, which either way, it's a good strategy. But yeah, HODL, however you want to say it, it's a good term to know because you're going to be coming across it quite often. Hodlers are a group of people that hold or that HODL. It's basically people who aren't particularly known for their short-term trading strategies, so they hold on for dear life. Whether the price rises, whether the price plummets, they're just holding on and they're for the ride. Now, the next bit of terminology is FOMO, fear of missing out. FOMO is what drives people to make bad decisions when it comes to investing and when it comes to cryptocurrency. They see everyone making massive gains, they see the Dogecoin millionaire, and then they make the bad decision of dumping their life savings into Squid token or something that they've not done any research on, and it's all because they're missing out. It's because they've got that fear of missing out, and yeah, they're investing all their life savings in a low cap, probably advertising on the back of cereal box kind of coin, and they get sucked into FOMO. So don't be that person. And again, another terminology that you need to watch out for, because people are going to use FOMO to try and, especially scammers in the space. So yeah, just be aware of that. The next one is KYC. KYC stands for Know Your Client. And basically a lot of investment platforms and crypto exchanges have to comply with regulations, and they conduct KYC checks. This will involve asking for IDs, doing identity checks, and asking for like proof of ID and proof of address, and just verifying that you are who you say you are. So yeah, another terminology to just basically be aware of. Now the next one is SAFU, S-A-F-U. Now SAFU basically means funds are safe. It originates from a meme, and then Binance later established a secure asset fund for users, abbreviated to SAFU, and this is why you might come across the phrase funds are SAFU or this is SAFU. Basically means it's safe. And lastly, DYOR. Now I use this a lot, but not the abbreviation, and it stands for do your own research, because everyone's going to be telling you to do your own research. You should never just YOLO it after what someone's saying to you. Yeah, you should basically just do your own research, even if it's just 20 minutes on Google looking at what that coin does, or what that stock, what that company is doing, what their plans. Just always do your own research. So there you have it. You're now fully equipped to conquer the crypto world. You've absolutely got this. Look, Bilbo's off right now. He's off to go invest. I've got referral links below for Binance, KuCoin and Coinbase, so do check them out if you're not already signed up to those platforms. And remember, DYOR, so you ensure your funds are SAFU, don't give in to FOMO, and go get that beastie ROI. Thanks for watching, you got this, and I'll see you in the next one.